Greetings, my dear little Goinkans. Welcome to your moral science class where we are doing our chapter number 10, Honesty. Dear Goinkans, honesty is telling the truth. Olivia is a kind person and helps others to say the right thing. Never tell a lie. Everyone listens and shares. She is truthful. The truth feels good. You can be respectful to others. And remember, honesty is the best policy. Now, look here. Arun finds a 10 rupee note in the school playground. He gives it to the school office. What do you know from this? We know from this that Arun is a honest boy, isn't it? Because he found a 10 rupee note in the playground and instead of keeping it in his pocket, he decides to give it to the school office, isn't it? So, here Arun is a honest boy. Now, let us read and learn from the story The Diamond Ring. There was once a poor woman in a village. She went to the forest every day to gather firewood. One day, as she was cutting the firewood, her gold ring fell off. She looked for it everywhere but could not find it. She sat down on the ground weeping loudly. The gold ring was the only precious thing she had. She wanted to present the ring to her only daughter. Just then, a beautiful lady appeared. She looked like an angel. She asked the woman why she was crying. The old woman told her what had happened with her. How, when she was cutting the firewood, her gold ring fell off and she was not able to find it. The lady vanished for a moment and returned with a beautiful ring. It had a shiny diamond on it, but the old lady was there, and when this beautiful lady asked her, she said, "Here is your ring." The poor woman said, "This is not my ring. Mine is only a simple gold ring. I would be happy if you could get that back for me." The lady smiled and disappeared again. She returned with the poor woman's old ring. The woman jumped with joy. "Thank you, thank you," the old woman said to the lady. "I shall give it to my daughter on her wedding day." The lady smiled at her and disappeared. Many years later, the woman's daughter was getting married. Being poor, she had only the gold ring to present her daughter. The old woman put the ring inside a small wooden box and gave it to her daughter. Just as her daughter opened the box, she cried out in surprise. Inside the box, there was a ring with a sparkling diamond on it. The people looked at it in surprise. Suddenly, there was a bright light in the sky. Everyone looked up and saw the beautiful lady. She smiled as she was waved at the people. Thus, you see how the old woman was rewarded for her honesty. Isn't it, my dear little Goinkans? This old lady, she didn't accept the ring that did not belong to her. She told that beautiful lady that mine is a simple gold ring, so I will not accept your diamond ring. But in her honesty reward, that beautiful lady gave a diamond ring to her daughter as a surprise. Isn't it, my dear little Goinkans, being honest very important? Yes, so remember, always be honest. I'll get back to you with one more session. Till then, goodbye and take care.